There we go.
All right, we're back for round 4, and I have a special guest with me today.
I'm Rob.
All right, let's jump back in. Which one's this one? All right, so, yep, there we go. There's the nice little bio. So we have to go follow that dad in.
Yeah.
So I think it's a boss battle, so I have no idea what to expect. I actually have no idea what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna need your strategy to help me.
I'll be there.
Oh, Andy, if you notice, there's no more Windows watermark at the bottom right anymore. Got rid of it. Pure gold right here. This,
Oh my god.
the amount of computer space like those.
Your subscribers are gonna go up like 100 just overnight.
All right, let's see what we can.
This is going viral.
Yeah.
Right now.
All right, so you can like throw shit in here that you don't need. But...
Did you see that loading screen? the bants they had during that loading screen, that was epic.
All right. What the wait? You know what I just realized? Why am I all the way up here?
Hey, it's supposed to be like in the
Down
basement.
here. All right. Well, if I walk down here and I have to kill things, there's gonna be. Shouldn't have to though. There better not be anything alive. Like I literally, everything should be dead here. I'll tell you, like this computer screen's way closer to my face than I'm used to. So.
Yeah.
Just making sure. All right, that's okay. I was already in here, and that thing was already there, so I'm pretty sure we just gotta walk. All right, so this is my inventory. So I got a pistol here, a shotgun here. I can combine these things to make like potions. So let's do that now. So now I have 2. I do have a little blood on me, so. There we go. So the health in this game is you just drop water on yourself and you feel better.
It's convenient.
Yeah. I just can't remember where to go. This might be the wrong way, actually. Yep, 100% is. Okay, wrong way. I mean, already, 1,000 views. You know?
Yeah, this is gonna be like
Pure, just absolute
an event.
fucking gold, dude. Alright. I don't know what that was.
Probably nothing. I wouldn't even check.
Okay, good, yeah, this is where we're going. I'm hanging by a thread, Sushin. Yep.
He's better off than you right now.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. This is... Ready? We gotta go in
Oh,
here.
it's the door. Alright, go ahead. Could you open that any louder?
We're here!
Hey! Oh, there's that guy I'm trying to kill.
Oh, shit. Goblins? Alright. Oh, what happened to us? What? Oh, he looks way worse than we left him.
Poor deputy.
He's gonna, like, animate
Yeah.
and try to kill you.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh, wait, I need this thing. Oh, guarantee he comes up behind us. Yep.
Hey, get away!
Okay, I mean, they didn't even give me a chance.
Off to a
run away.
bad start.
Yeah. What do I do? I'm confused. I'll probably need that chainsaw. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Yep, need the chainsaw. Fuck. I need to open that too. Oh, 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 oh! Rob, help! I don't know, I just picked up. I picked up something.
Can he just, like, run out of energy?
No.
Like, we just
No.
run in
Nope.
circles?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
That's all I got.
That's not a thing.
That's all I got.
Alright, great. Alright, well, we need to get this chainsaw, and I have no idea how to do it. Dude, he's right behind us.
Never try to outrun a meth head. What happened to your shotgun?
I have it. He doesn't get hurt though.
He was all burned though. Oh, he was great. I get it now.
Alright, well clearly we gotta use this shit. Rob. Help, Rob!
Let's go through a little trial and error here.
Oh. Where's the trial? Where's the error? Because if I keep running around in circles, Andy's not even watching. I mean, we clearly gotta use these things. Shit.
You shouldn't have made him mad earlier.
Yeah.
And he'd be like, oh, you're cool.
What am I supposed to do with this? Uh-oh. That's me. Oh. Okay, he's gonna grab for us.
Oh, cool.
Now what? Oh, the other one's over there.
That's not good.
What the hell is that?
Oh, wow. Like two chains.
Could be trouble. Chainsaw.
Oh! This game is like a little bit. Okay, so these things like protect us from it. Okay. Oh, good.
Look at that, look at that.
What are we supposed to do?
You know what? Walk in, like, all limpy and dumb.
Yeah.
Like, pretend you're infected too.
Oh.
And then
Yeah.
just walk in and be like, I'm a zombie.
Don't let. It's like search your surroundings and you might find something. Like doubt.
Chainsaw.
You know that meme, doubt.
Yeah.
Alright, I wish there was a way.
To like not get pushed down this stupid thing.
You know what? Let me search before I. Yeah, we need a key for this, which we don't have. It's gold. That is gold material.
Microphone didn't catch that.
Oh, 100% did.
No way.
China caught it.
Is that a horse? Just a full horse?
I think it's a pig.
Oh, I see.
I'm just trying to search now before. It's gunpowder and.
I don't like that how he just appears.
Yeah, and
You know, you should be able to preempt that.
this should make a super potion. Yep. Okay. Restores all health. Alright, can we go? We can't go down. I think he pushed us down there. So we
Can
can't.
you jump?
Doubt. Nope. So he's gotta push it. So this game loves to hide shit though. So like, I mean, I just don't know where else to look. Alright, yeah. So I think we're stuck unless there's something else in this other room. I gotta tell you, being this close to the screen is making me kind of nauseous. Oh, perfect. See, we did miss some stuff here. Come fluid. Make some more. Oh, you know what? Yep. Okay, and then we can combine this to make more bullets. Remember when I said we could combine that to make more bullets?
Yeah.
Yeah, I lied about that. Oh, no, I fucked up. I should have made bullets with that instead of
At the end of the day, guys come at you with a
yeah, chainsaw.
chainsaw thing.
You think I should just shoot him to get the, because he hit me a couple times. I'm gonna shoot him a couple times with the, shotguns.
You!
Grab that
I ain't
chainsaw.
getting away!
Yeah, that's bullshit.
It's nice right there.
You? You think you gonna hurt me?
love that. He didn't even move.
Didn't go back.
Yeah. Again. I think I just gotta run. I don't know.
It's only one way.
What was in that barrel last time? Do you remember?
The what? What's this?
I just don't want to keep wasting ammo if it's not going to do anything. You know what I mean? Like, I'll shoot him if it makes him go grab the chainsaw quicker.
But what's the chainsaw?
I don't know, but I can.
You got yourself a boo-boo!
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I'd shoot that
Final
now.
form. That's the first I've seen of that.
That was promising.
Yeah. There's gotta be something I can do here. Maybe I can link. Jeremy, that is not groovy. I think I can like hit these chains or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Make something collapse or something. You just take out that whole bag? Yep, we did. Maybe I need to make him hit those? I don't know. I don't know, like why?
At least they get in the way.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I don't know what to do though. Uh-oh. Do you see anything here that I can... Uh-oh.
I just try to keep chainsawing you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So bad. I tried guarding though. Couldn't work. What is that? What, that's a double press? Shit. Uh-oh, if I die, we're probably. What? That was the perfect time for that to happen.
Yeah.
Should have taken a shot. Hey! Oh, okay. Oh, he's gone. He'll be back. Okay.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
That's disgusting.
That was like an epic Bruce Willis line. right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Oh, you can't cut it unless you push out. Alright, that wasn't as bad. That wasn't that bad. I only died once, right?
Yep.
Alright, put this down now. But I don't want it anymore. Wish I had a little more ammo though. We'll see that. Alright, let's make sure there's nothing else here. Perfect. Guess you'll say that he'll have a hard time finding his legs to stand on, if you will. Oh, is there anything up here for us? No, right? Oh, you know, no, we gotta go. Wait a minute. Well, I grabbed a head, right? Yeah. I grabbed a dog's head thing.
Yeah.
So that means, oh, we gotta try to stay cognizant of how much. What time did we start this? How long ago?
It's probably 15 minutes ago.
I tried to do like 40 minutes. We gotta go back upstairs. And I guarantee something's gonna pop out of this before we get up there.
Nah, it'll probably be fine.
That's how this game works.
I don't expect anything to happen.
Yeah. So I figure if I turn the corners really fast, nothing will happen.
Yeah. They don't see that coming.
No.
That can't be good. Shoot her.
Can't.
Why?
Can't. Won't let you. See?
She looks good.
Yeah. That's good for her age.
I mean, she's singing.
She's like.
Turn around now. She's a zombie. She's like after you. Oh.
There actually, I missed something in this room last time. What the fuck? Actually, I don't remember this. Oh yes, I do. This room, I missed something in last time. There's like a power up over here or something. In here. Excuse me. It's in here. I know it is. Okay. Oh. Gives you like
Steroids.
like a permanent health boost. Yeah, use. Alright. I think there's a quicker way back to go the way I wanted to go, but so I gotta put this dog head over here.
We're free now.
I don't know what opened though. Oh, maybe it was this door. Okay.
Looks good.
Not a big fan of being outside, actually. I thought I'd be more of a fan.
Just run away. Look, right there. Get off those steps, just run right into those woods.
Yeah, let's see. Let's make sure there's nothing over here I can't pick up. Herbs, morphine. That's how you make medicine. Gunpowder, that's how you make bullets. Oh, I need chem fluid to do that. Shit. Okay, that's the end of the game. This is where Marguerite was, though, that lady. I actually kind of like when it doesn't let you go places, you know what I mean? Like, I like to know, like, okay, I have to go in here.
Yeah.
I get this how to make bullets. Let's make a couple. Okay. Make sure there's nothing else over here we can pick up. Oh boy.
It's all over there.
Oh, this is where Zoe went. Okay. Gonna have to go in the trailer first. Yeah, that house is wicked creepy when you look at it from there. got a phone call.
There's a video.
I hate the videos. Magnum? I want it. Yeah, give it to me. Oh, we need to put 9 coins in there to get it.
Used to be a nice family.
Mm.
Healthy, well-adjusted family. Just didn't work out.
You know, this kind of looks like Andy. This looks like your dad a little bit. Oh. What's that? Stabilizer. Reloading speed increases. Steroid. Oh, it's another health. That's only 3. Okay. So, ooh. Maybe it's got some milk.
Keep it.
Do a little save action. Actually, we'll be able to tell how long we've been recording for right now. Yeah, 20 minutes. Alright, alright. Oh, you can put shit in here that you don't want. Or don't need. I think I need all this, though. What's this? Broken handgun. That's not a videotape. I bet if we go back out here, something's gonna happen to us.
Let's just stay in here. They'll never look for us here.
It's safe in here. She always calls at the most inopportune times.
I hope you're not in the trailer.
I dropped a huge deuce in there. I hope you're not in there.
Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and I, our bodies are contaminated.
Oh,
I can't leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
I chopped your dad's head off, and then it just grew back in like 30 minutes.
Out of the body, as long as you're not too far
I thought he
gone.
was just really like healthy,
Alright.
Yeah.
high protein
So where
diet.
is
That's all that was.
Number one was it'd already be long gone. But I have a feeling
I was
my
watching
mother
this thing
has
in Dr. Oz.
the old
He
house
said it could
somewhere.
happen. I
Yeah,
don't know.
this green smoothie at the beginning of every day.
We can get out of here?
This is the clean air out here.
Mrs. and I.
Just does wonders.
The old house is near the
For
water. You can't
Cut off
miss it.
limbs and stuff.
For the body and the mind.
I just hope you can handle my
You
mother.
get burnt to a
Your
crisp
mother?
and just
Be careful.
grows right back.
I'll be looking for you.
I didn't hear any of that.
Yeah, no, it wasn't important. It wasn't important. None of it was important.
You should just like good luck.
I'm trying to think what I need to do here. Alright, I mean... Guess I could try one.
You hear that like pterodactyl?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe if I go back over here, the gate will be unlocked now.
Ooh,
It unlocked itself. Alright.
it must be on a timer. Yeah, that's normal.
Alright, we can break these open.
I'm playing like a character.
Yeah.
Like some guy from a comedy like just gets plopped into this.
Yeah,
Just
do
tries
it.
to make everything.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Tries to make everything a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's normal. Oh, we're doing this now? Okay. Oh, Marguerite, you.
Yeah.
Always singing in your wheelchair.
Well, Marguerite's the mom. She's the one with the lantern.
I don't know any of the
Yeah,
characters.
that's fine, that's
I
fine.
just heard that name.
I need to clear up some space, man.
Can you just throw anything on the ground?
Yeah, I can, but I don't want to waste stuff either. I need these, though. I need those. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to drop shit. I really need those shotgun shells. I'm trying to think of what to drop.
With a knife. I don't need
Yeah,
knives.
I do. I do that.
Knives.
Dude, it helps me
You
break
need guns.
shit.
What do you need knives?
Because I can't melee with it. You know?
Hmm.
Whatever, you know what?
What's that lobster thing?
That's a key. You know what? I probably can put. You know
probably
what? I'm
use-
gonna put it back.
you've used the key.
I'm gonna put it back. Yeah. I don't think I need it anymore.
Can you just throw it?
No. I'm gonna put it in the. I'm gonna put it in its cubby
Okay.
where it goes. No one ever tell you to do that?
No.
Like put things where they go.
Yeah. And I think you have higher priorities in this situation, but it's okay.
So like this is a safe house for us. This is good. We like this.
Oh, okay. Just stay there.
Because remember we can push it in here.
You know what I do? I just stay in here until it's daytime. And zombies don't do anything in the daytime,
You're
so
right. You're right.
just walk out.
You know what? You're so right.
It's actually a great plan, though.
Oh, since I've started this game, it's only been daytime once.
Either that, or put like blood all over yourself and walk around like with
Pee
your
on
arms,
yourself.
with your arms like all, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to
No,
say.
I
I don't
would've-
want to say retarded, but
I would have I would have 100% just put the Glock in my mouth
yeah,
and just eat a 9mm. Watch.
I would have just like gone into the river and just held my breath until I passed out
And then
like,
drowned.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's reload this. Get this ready because we're gonna need it.
Not 1 minute. I bet you we don't run into any more problems the rest of the way.
You're right. Do you see that thing?
Is that a bug? Oh my god!
I bet this can hurt us. If we can kill it, that means it can
I
hurt
thought it
us.
was like a design.
No.
I was like, oh, that's weird.
You don't need the knife. You don't need it. Put it away.
Could have shot it.
Put the knife away. Yo, put the knife away, man. Stop.
Can we fall in here? No, we can't. Oh, I think I hear her. Do you hear her? She's upstairs. Go up.
It said don't go up.
Oh shit.
Look again.
You see this thing? No, I know. Look at.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
I'm gonna try to avoid that actually,
Yeah.
if at all possible. Because I guarantee we're gonna run into some serious bugs here in about 5
Yeah,
seconds.
let's get out of the building. Just try to run into the woods.
Alright, looks like we're gonna have to face these things no matter what. Should I just shoot it now?
I just keep walking and hope it doesn't like
Explode.
sense you. I think that's not good. Eh. So you drew them out though. Now you can go in.
Nah, that's not how that works. They're gonna keep attacking me. Alright, whatever. See what happens when you walk into it. Yep.
Trying to
Well.
stab bugs. Don't waste that. You're just making them mad. It's like kicking a hornet's nest.
Yep.
Just try to walk by. Sometimes they just don't bother you. Just keep going. Weather the storm. Weather the storm. See? Shut the door!
I don't know what that is.
Bug killer. It's raid.
Flammable solid that burns fiercely when ignited.
Oh,
Oh, grenade.
burn the thing.
That's good.
Burn the thing.
Yeah, we gotta combine it with something. Oh yeah, I bet you throw it. Yeah, not a fan.
Jump at you. Even those aren't effective.
There's stuff in there I need.
Just wasting shells.
Oh, they're dying too.
Yeah, but there must be a better way.
Well, now I'm out, so. Yeah, there is a better way. Though. One at a time. Oh, I need to get in here, so.
Like when the main guy catches you, it's like, where'd all your bullets go?
Yeah.
I shot all the bugs with them.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, how stupid are you?
Action,
I'm
dude.
just hitting you now.
Free real
You
estate.
just have a knife? Oh my god. Like, how'd you get this far?
Yeah, right. These things are easier than this thing is.
Grenade it.
I don't have any grenades. Okay.
You can't just jump into one.
No. I like these things, they're easy.
Yeah, you're gonna miss it once and it'll like jump on your face.
Okay. This game. Perfect. 2 spots. Let's go.
What is that?
It is what I'm going to... I got 1 more piece of this flamethrower. Herbs. So I need another piece. So I must have missed it somewhere then. Because it should have been... You know what? It was in it. Maybe it was in that other room. Remember when I saw that hive at first and I was like, nope, not going in there. It's probably... Oh, it's over there. I know for a fact it's over there. Okay. Because I remember picking it up with Mia.
It's a cool name, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Man. I need to, like, drop something. Actually. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna remember those are there. Okay?
Alright.
Help me remember those are there.
Let us send those to them.
Ow. Ow, ow.
Efficient.
Et tu, Brute? Oh, that's from the book Gravediggers. No one's gonna get that but me. You know. Oh, shit again. Oh, I can't remember where I found that thing last time though. Alright, this is... fucking space. Alright, I'm gonna drop it. Now, we are cooking. Boom.
Sick.
Okay, now we got flamethrower.
I wouldn't waste those and look the bugs though.
Yeah, that's what it's for. That's what it's made for.
Burn demons with it.
Oh,
camera
perfect.
arms.
Perfect. I could use that about
Right when
3
you-
seconds ago. Alright, these things are gonna blow up. Alright, is there anything I can get rid of in here? I need all this.
You don't have to trade them.
Hold on. Where are we? 2:54? Is that where we're at? What time do we start? It's like a half hour, like 10 more minutes maybe.
Yeah, probably.
I'm not gonna edit it. I'm literally just gonna throw it all in.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Alright, dude. These bugs are about to get a rude awakening. Oh shit! I gotta. No, this is not the move. Oh, maybe. Can I? No, I used something else last time. So you gotta make like a. You gotta make like a spider, and like this door will open. I forget what I
Make
use.
it with what?
There's like a shadow thing around here somewhere. I mean, like a piece of metal. You'll know when you pick it up. It'll be like something ridiculous.
You haven't found it yet?
No, I don't think so. Why is that lady got a fucking back over her head? See that?
It's a style in those days. Happened all the time. I'm
Yeah?
telling you, yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Stop.
100% serious.
Stop. I believed you for like half a second.
Resilient.
Don't use it on the bugs.
Where to? Oh, I think I lit that thing on fire.
You can go around the other way.
Why do that when I can? See?
Nice.
What do you want, man?
Spider thing in there?
Or... Oh. Dude. I have more, remember?
No.
Yeah, right here, these things. See? Oh, no, no I don't. Back to the old knife. Shouldn't have done it. Oh, okay, it's there. Perfect. Perfect. Burn a fuel. Let's go. I don't know what this is for. It's supposed to be for the thing. so let's retrace our steps here. Because I stopped going. Fuck, did you hear that? No.
I don't even see you.
Yeah, well, they're not living. There's more over here. No, I just came from there. Over here? Yep. Okay. What more could you ask for? What more could you ask for? Reload the flamethrower. Can't see. Oh, that's where you need to go. Did you see it?
Yeah.
I just don't like leaving shit like that there because I know it's gonna fuck me up later, but whatever.
It'll probably be fine.
Can I get that in writing? Okay, wait, did you hear something? Oh. No, okay, never mind. Those bobbleheads sound like that. Boom.
Learn anything from this game is that unexpected obstacles never pop up.
Okay, remember when I said I'll find something that'll look... Oh,
Oh
okay.
shit, you're gonna hallucinate.
Ethan!
Flamer.
Oh, no, I was trying to.
No more bullshit, Mia. I want
Wait,
some
she's
answers.
alive?
No, no, now you tell me the truth.
I always wanted to
Mia.
tell you, but I can only
Cock
remember
central,
a little,
this guy.
and the rest is just gone.
Who's that? Oh, it's
Mia,
Lucas.
Mia, look,
Dad,
oh,
alright? You mind if I borrow Mommy for a little bit?
She's yours, bro. Have her. I'm not
Don't
even
just
mad.
stand there. Do something!
Don't just stand. Don't just stand there. What does it say? Wait, what is it? Don't just look
stare
at
at
it.
it.
Yeah, don't just eat it. I'm not even. Dude, he can have her.
you want him to like think that you're coming to get her?
I don't.
You know,
I don't
so
even
he
want-
like hides
Yeah.
somewhere with her
Yeah, I don't even care.
and just be like, see you.
Yeah, good. Can't help her right now.
She's been there for 3 years, so you can
Yeah.
survive.
Yeah, for 5 more minutes.
Well, forever.
Yeah, dude, there's definitely a bobblehead. I hear it.
A what?
Bobblehead.
What's that?
You're supposed to like break them and they like give you something at the end. I don't know. Alright, I gotta find where to put the.
Okay. That's only twice.
Well, probably just don't hurt me. Alright. Just that can be done. Oh, I'm stuck. I can't move. Just not a fan of the bug stuff.
I think you should try to go in the room she said not
Yeah, I'm
to.
definitely going to. Oh, I dropped that. I dropped that freaking. Oh no, I didn't. Sweet, sir. No, I don't want that. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I said we just go back in.
Flamethrower.
Oh, actually, you know what? No, I don't want her to find me. This is what happened last time. I'm gonna try to avoid her. I don't know where she is though. I need to get back over to that statue.
She's probably right behind you right
Yep,
now.
yep. I need to open this up ASAP. She's like behind me and I gotta try to do it quickly. This always takes like forever. Come on.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I gotta line it up perfectly though. Fuck. Upside down maybe? Oh.
There you go.
Always good sign, right? Ugh.
Fuck! Jesus, fuck!
He's like, ew, bugs. After everything you've seen.
Dude, centipedes are nasty, though.
I mean, yeah.
I'd freak out. Like, centipedes I can't deal with. Alright, I hate seeing the blood on it. Come on. Let's put a little water on it. Okay, I don't have the key for that place, though. So I can't even go out that door. Oh, I don't like that. She's probably still around here, too.
I should probably just went to sleep.
Can't use that here. I don't think I have anything to use.
They seem like a family that just kind of gives up. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, oh, you made it? You beat us? Yeah, okay, you're good.
Yeah.
You can leave. Okay, I gotta go in the hole. Ain't the first hole I've been in. Right? Right? Get it?
Yeah.
Hey, make sure you don't bring that knife anymore.
You ever go in the hole? I'm going to fucking hole.
It's the first hole I've ever been in.
You ever been in the hole before? Go in the fucking hole.
Oh, I hear another bubble doll. You hear that?
Yeah.
There he is. I don't... What the space? When I was in 9th grade, we carried like 18 books in our bag. I think we could fit a couple more things. Alright, let's try to... Oh, maybe I can combine this to make a super. No. Ooh. Oh, cool. Perfect. Excuse me. Alright, now what?
Where's the bobblehead thing you think?
I just killed it.
Yeah, but
I broke it.
didn't it give you something?
No. I don't know what they do. You just break them. You're supposed to break all of them when you find them. Oh, come on. Imagine the board meeting for those things.
And
All
with
right.
surgical precision. He swipes. Oh, and look at this. Look at his arm action here.
The stroke of the brush.
Just out of the hole. And he comes out swinging. Call like a brush.
Yeah.
Beautiful form here.
Can't hide the hole from that man. Alright. Oh, where was the other one? Oh, outside, right? Remember? There was like remember there was another one of those things. You know what I'm talking about?
Nope.
You know how I just cranked that thing?
Yeah.
There's another one somewhere.
Oh.
I think it's out here. And by out here, I mean I have no idea. Oh, shit.
Jeez.
Shit.
Wow. I've never heard that.
Yeah,
I don't think I've ever heard that enunciated.
I like that though. I need to go back outside, bro.
I think she lost you.
No, yeah, for 2 seconds.
I don't think she knows where you are at all.
Yeah, she does.
Can you just flame her?
No.
Why?
That's,
Why? You can't just flame her? Why?
you just can't.
Doesn't work.
It's the rules. Dude, she needs to relax.
Just shut the door so I don't know what to do.
I need to go over there.
Damn, I can't find the guy who has this super bright flamethrower.
I need to go where she is.
Hey, there's a thing there.
Yeah, no, I used it already. Oh.
Oh.
Alright, good. I need to go where she's going. Shit. She can't hear this.
Damn, way to go.
Sounds kosher to me.
Yeah, those bugs acting up again.
If she turns around, I'm gonna be so mad.
They never do anything unexpected. Oh shit.
Does something unexpected. Just checking to see if she's still with us. She is. Actually, no. I'm gonna hide right here.
Yeah, she'll never see you with that fucking flamethrower.
Told you, she's walking around. She's walking
There's nothing out here for you, Ethan.
Is that you? Ethan?
Yeah. No. No, I'm Ethan. Yeah,
that
Ethan.
sarcasm?
Yes.
Oh.
Get out! It's time!
What? Game's like, what do you want to use? You want to use the herb? Go, Ethan. Is this bug with me? Yeah.
I think that's a good bug.
Oh yes, the Sarcophagus farmigadus. The good. It translates in Latin to good bug.
There's definitely an N-word joke in this.
I need that. Don't say it. Bug nibbers.
Yeah. The Sonibidus. And Rob's streaming career was over before it started.
Oh man. What did I just make? Psychosimilants. I don't care about that. Okay, that's what I need. Okay, now I need to go back where that other one was. Where that door was. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Remember where that was? Alright. I just hate these things. Wasn't there something over here that I let? Oh no, that's where I grabbed the other thing. Oh no, remember I was like, hey, remember those are over there, don't let me forget.
Yeah.
Got it. Psychostimulants.
What does that mean?
Like you can take them and then like a bunch of shit will pop up on the map that you're missing. Oh. Yeah, I'm still running back. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just the bugs.
Yeah. She's
just,
useless. She's
just
okay, doors up here. You gotta remember where all the doors are, though. Oh, didn't expect
That's
that.
bullshit.
Now what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's gonna throw that at you, dude.
All right.
What now?
God only knows what you know him in a
Any suggestions?
I get those things. Can you throw the knife at it?
Yeah, you know what? You're right, Rob.
Take a shot at it.
Oh, the one that's got zero bolts in it? Now I'm gonna get wrecked. They're wrecking me. How nauseous are you after that?
beyond the pale.
They're all these zombies are so poetic.
Oh!
Flank.
Ew.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't. What's hitting me? What's hitting me? Oh, though, that's whatever this is. Climb. She's definitely not dead. No way. That was not her. You know what I mean?
I have no doubt that she's totally dead and we'll never see her again.
Put a little,
Don't have to look back.
rubbing alcohol on there.
Don't even have to look back.
Look back at it. What does this say? So you're trying to...
They really have to put like exclamation points.
Yeah. Oh. Jambalaya done. Why are like some of those capitalized? I feel like that's gonna be like a secret code.
I feel like Trump wrote that.
It's a great door.
You come up to this door? Sad. Won't even work. Dumb.
This door. It's a really great door.
You can't even. It's so great. You can't even use it. No. Eat it.
Is this a serum? Oh, this is definitely a serum.
This is like their secret
Yep.
thing.
I think that's it.
Alright, well grab it,
You
bro.
know, I can't believe that this family couldn't properly raise a baby.
Oh, the phones.
Like I can't believe that there was like a baby died here.
Well, did you find a son?
I just got done dealing with your mom and her fucking bugs. Wish you could have warned me.
Sorry about that. What about the serum?
I haven't found any. But
She
I did
totally
find
wants
out
you
we
to
need
die
an
from
ink one.
bugs and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah.
A D-series head and an arm. This can't be right.
A head? I think I have that around here somewhere.
You do?
I don't know about the arm, though.
I like her
Have you
accent.
searched the whole house?
Louisiana.
No, not yet. I still need to check the second floor here.
Yeah,
Alright.
once we get out of
Check
here.
it out. Meet me at the trailer if you find it.
Alright. Oh, so we need
Can you
those.
pick up that baby?
No, we need things to make that. That's how that works. Alright, I probably should end this because it's pretty long. I just want to see
Oh
if
yeah,
there's
it was
like
probably like an hour now.
Yeah, I want to see if I can save though. What's that?
Voodoo doll.
Huh? Where am I? No, but... I was trying to hide the shotgun shells.
Oh, there's moths.
Oh, it's this thing. Select an item to use. I gotta weigh this down with something. It's these freaking dolls, dude. I don't want to end it without seeing a save thing. I didn't see one. I definitely have enough to get that magnum. Can't really pose your own with the atmosphere though.
Like, you know that saying, like, you'd be scared by your own shadow?
Yeah.
Like, I was actually kind of scared. Like, you turned and your shadow was on the wall. I was like, oh, she is alive.
Good, I was worried about her. Can I just like not deal with her?
Yeah, she's upset.
I need something. Wow, there had to have been a save somewhere. No?
You know what you should do?
Because I just want to end the video and then start another one. That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, you should just, like, lie down on the ground, cover yourself in blood, pretend like, oh, the other family member must have killed him. Oh well.
Yeah.
Like, they'll just walk by.
Yeah, that's definitely it. Alright, hold on. I think there was a save outside, I think. I'll save and then we can start the next one because I don't want to make these videos too long. It takes like 20 minutes for it to upload to YouTube as is.
Yeah.
My beautiful YouTube creations. Is it this one? Nope. It was over there. Shit.
Swim.
So maybe if I just look at it, it'll...
Bug's like, what the fuck you looking at?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah. I'm walking here!
There ain't nobody else here.
Yeah.
I think you're looking at me.
I'm flying here! Alright. That'll be the end of this episode. Thanks, Rob.
No problem.